Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to use game space in your Realme smartphone. I will tell you how you can. So first let's open this settings. You can just write first in the search. Let's see if it is there. So here it is, game space. You can see here it is game center. So here you can click on this game. Let's click on this security. If it is there, click on more. So friends, here you can see there it is not showing any game space, but there it is some of the applications like game center. You can play thousands of free games here in this application. Just skip it, and there are lots of just play online. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.